Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus. This is a brand new rear entry manual conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. I pinch and I flip. I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this would definitely be the answer for you. This is ADA compliant, and if someone parks next to you in a side entry vehicle, you cannot get out of the vehicle in a wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. Rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but I sell side entry, I sell rear, I sell full size. Let me know what you're looking for. If you don't see it on our website, we can find it. Let me know. We got the 56 inches coming inside the van, then about 56 once you're inside the van. It does taper to about 32 inches of width here where the ramp sets. And this is the deep cut. So you can see we've already got the gurney kit installed in here, ready to go. Got your upgraded Q-strength tie downs in there. We throw those in at no charge to you. A lot of our competition makes you buy the tie down separate. They're high dollar. We throw them in no charge to you. We got the jump seats in, got about 26 inches of room between those seats. So this is already gurney set up, ready to go. And if you do want to haul two wheelchairs at a time, you can simply remove these. It's a matter of seconds. Just unscrew these here, lift this and the antlers out, and you're ready to go. So in about 30 seconds you can transform it from gurney back to wheelchair and back and forth. Super simple to do. Get your cup holders in the back for your passengers in the rear. Get your headliner looks great. Rear air controls. So it's even got a DVD player in it. That's awesome. Get your Q-straight tie downs and warranty there. Your center console with all your cup holders, plug-ins for all your electronics. Even more cup holders there. Got your dual climate control, your rear air, your backup camera. You can sync your phone here, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. And steering wheel controls, again, to help you keep your eyes on the road. All right, when it's time to put the conversion away, one finger, check it out. Super simple to do. Just reverse the process and you're ready to go. Now, this van comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. A lot of our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. They have to say that. But I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some are 3 years, 36,000 miles. You compare those to 3 years unlimited miles. You tell me who has the better built conversion. Super clean van, as you can see from the pictures on the walk around. Got the tinted windows in the rear for privacy and makes the van look a little better too and keep you cool in the summertime. Alloy wheels, which put 4 brand new tires on this van. So all the tires are brand new. This is turnkey, ready to go for whether it be your family or to make your business some money. It's ready to roll. As you can tell by the, I'm looking for scratches or dents in this van. We're very thorough in everything we do on our videos. That's super clean van, looks almost brand new. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video of the VIN number, not just a picture, a video. And why I say that, there's a lot of scammers out there, especially on Facebook Marketplace. Folks, if you're on Facebook Marketplace shopping for a vehicle, you better know what you're doing. It's full of scammers. What they do is they take pictures of our van, they cut out our sign up there, and they sell a van like this on the internet for $20,000, and they say $1,000 to hold it. Well, what they do is once they get your money from you, they disappear off the internet. You'll never hear from them again. So tell them, no matter who you buy from, I want a video of that VIN number. I want you to say your name in it. So my name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Mobility 316. There's the VIN number. I got the van here in my possession. They couldn't do that because if someone doesn't have the van with them, they can't make that video. So make sure you get that video. What we do with that VIN number, we also run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see 1 owner, no accidents or damage, 8 service records. Have been serviced regularly. Last owned in nice salt rust-free North Carolina. So an A+ perfect Carfax. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is 1 owner, clean title, no accidents with a lot of service. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. As we scroll down here, again, you can see the vehicle has been serviced regularly, been very well taken care of, and it shows the vehicle was last inspected with 69,830, so about 70 miles ago. Maintenance inspection completed, everything was checked on it, so This was by another dealership. My mechanics have also done this, but this was an independent party that did it before we bought it. Now, no matter who you do business with, look them up online, check out their reputation and reviews. Find me on eBay. Been doing it since 2004. 1,552 positive transactions. That's 100%. Everyone that's ever left me in transaction or feedback has left me positive. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Again, make sure you're not getting scammed. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. I talk to people all the time. They tell me how they bought from a private individual. The vehicle ended up being stolen. Yes, people are selling stolen vehicles. When the police catch up to that vehicle, the buyer does not get their money back. You're out the vehicle and the van in this case, and also the money. So, if you're dealing with private individuals, you better know what you're doing. Or they end up buying from one of the dealers that's got 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings here instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up, whether it's a business or an individual, they end up with a van, has a frame damage they weren't told about, salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage, they weren't told about, major mechanical issues. So, if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, go ahead and deal with those low-end dealers and the general public. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. I got 2 key fobs here. It's got the keyless entry. As I open the door, it's got the black cloth interior. It's very clean. I've already been in this van. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Very, very light wear on the armrest right there. But I hope you can tell in my videos. If I see a little scratch or a little blemish, I tell you about it. But nice, clean inside. As I open the back here just to give you a little different perspective. These are vinyl seats, so they're really easy to clean if you get a mess or a spill on them. I'm just giving you a little different perspective here of the rear of the van. For those of you that aren't real familiar with these, got your vents in the back for your rear air. And this van even has the remote start button on it here. So I hit the button twice there. So whether you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned vehicle in the summertime, or you want to come out to a nice heated up, defrosted, ready to roll vehicle in the winter time, this gives you that option. When I put the key in to turn the van on officially, you can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. 69,899 miles currently. We have almost a full tank of gas. Like I mentioned, that backup camera is a great safety feature to have. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you those moving so you can see. We test the power locks, the heat, air, belts, hoses, cruise, suspension, steering, brakes, tires. Of course, we check the tires. They're brand new. I replace fluids as necessary. I'm even going to show you the back vent. See those back there moving? So yes, we've run all this van very thorough. We don't just run it through the car wash and put it on the lot. It goes through a very thorough inspection before it hits my lot. Underneath the hood, I've got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any rust, from being up north, up in the Rust Belt, and no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's a 2019, they assume because it looks good in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, that's the most dangerous thing you can do. Floods, for example. This time of year, new car dealerships are going to get flooded. Many have happened already this year. Vehicles that are brand new can have flood damage, is my point. So do not assume things, even if it's brand new. What I want you to do, I want you to ask yourself, whoever you're looking at a vehicle, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they get out on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures of the undercarriage, much less a super detailed video, so you can see there's no bent metal from a bad accident underneath here, there's no water damage from a flood? And lastly, do they get up on an overpass and take pictures of the roof of the vehicle? Yes, see this bridge here? I go down here, I crawl up on an overpass, I take pictures of the roof. You have no idea how many people will have hail damage on the roof really bad. They don't fix it and they sell the vehicle because no one ever checks the roof. I check the roof. So when it comes to not only reputation, when it comes to price, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. What ends up happening if you end up buying a van that's got, you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual? What happens if you end up buying a van that's got frame damage, whether it be from an accident or a flood, and it won't pass inspection in your state. In both those cases, and many more cases, you can't get a title for it, therefore you just bought a van you can't even drive. So no matter who you buy from, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, this is a major investment. You're not buying a $80 pair of shoes off Amazon. This is a big investment. Demand that detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do that because they are the most thorough vehicle inspection, title inspection of all of them out there, so I pay the extra money. I demand the best. You should too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. Folks, it takes 2 minutes to get online and make sure someone's legit. Look at their ratings. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Good at any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. All right, the final portion of the video, I like to get the vans out on the highway. There's that little overpass. I get up on this ledge right here, put the van right down there, take pictures of the roof of the vehicle. So yes, I check the roofs. But anyways, get the van out so you can hear it run, give it some gas, hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Got the cruise control set, steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Van runs and drives very nice down the highway. Do keep in mind, we offer a complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. We do sell long-term warranties that are factory type warranties that go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online, what they've hidden in the fine print. $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all those hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional cost to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but especially none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, so I can be 100% transparent with you on exactly what you're getting. And you notice I came down the ramp there, gave the van a nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Again, exactly what we're looking for. Here, that radio works there, just showing, testing everything on the van. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I'm the owner. That's a direct line to call or text my cell phone. Definitely easier to text us. This phone goes crazy all day, every day, but you got the option there. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to the owner's cell phone. Or do you have to call in, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail or on hold and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, is that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that super aggressive, annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you would like to come in to view our inventory, we would love that, but you 100% must make an appointment. We're too busy to handle walk-ins. Our vehicles are spread all over the city at different locations. make that appointment with us. We value your time. We don't want to miss you. We ask that you value our time and do the same. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures of every vehicle, all with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions. Where mobility is affordable, call us today.